Pull away your chills.
He's the best.
With Uncle Zach's
Muda Winnie.
Hey, oh. Iwe auyo.
We were all very proud when he was born. I was very proud that Zibule Mudle, who was happy with how far Zibule from Home Association. And we were all happy. And after we only came back to Missy, these names talk about Wongile, Batumisile, Vanele, Babusisi, Batamili. Ubanele, it was a way of telling people to die. Then after 9 years, came Babusisi. I only know what I'm So that's how it all happened. Wow, Kula Funda. Very bright young man. But one thing I really noticed when he was growing up, our Mama folks, our child, sorry, ma'am. Then, as we were sitting on the table, Ubanele started quarreling with Batu. Mama, watu uyalungibhadale enye imali yami ulinathi wena watu phana umntwana imali yakhe ethi imali yami lo hayi baba ubanele wajimisile umthengisele i-drumstick yami
Down is Pandachuma reporting for Bulawayo Chiefs podcast on Apana proceedings at Bulawayo Amphitheatre. The father of the late Babongi Disconja, they are giving us a brief background of Uti Babongi Disconja Wakula
a lot of controversies. Why UK? What's the Premier UK? What do you know about the school? But what? We are not used to it. Others say, oh, Jesus. I get you to Mama White Jordan. You know how I'm going to do this. But when I'm funny, it it disappeared, our families. So, Baba Mimbume, the teachers for themselves, serious or was called, also cool what it was called. That's how this called has been called. Kaja solo, Komolake, scold. Komolaka Hazala, Komofetu, scold. Komofetu, Hazala, then the name of the family. He had a foresight, which we never had. He had a foresight. If I don't do this, things will not will disappear. I'll tell you, Babonle used to bring a lot of friends until I got annoyed. You have to take them with their face value. They are my friends. All right, let's just take it out. Pakamisani Zaida, Loke, Elacha, Wongile, where's my birthday, celebration? Let's be honest. Can we lift all our hands? Everybody who has something. There's one thing engalumkhuza ngayo, ihlaba. Koma basigarethi cafe. Mayeseza kulomihlamba kanti bane elikhawisa mama nomama ekhaya. Ngasale ikhulu yo. But that's part of the us industry. When I was a system, can I get back? Yeah, happy. Well, why are you afraid of language? Mina, what was it? I said, you tell him. Fuya kaila masoko ya labo aba service club why kama hii nguru bazo atkama we are let's come and punish this way. Bageti, we are so grateful that you came and gave us the support. It's really was Unsi is a Zambia. But don't you probably so Wakala was a Bamtagazi. Was a Bamtagazi. Nobody tool. But I'm going to end up saying this. About the school, our name, in national anthem, of Israel, Skyzifin. So, you say, so, he said, what about? Where's the Bible? When it's like, it's in this Bible, and so on. Those who thought Bible was not church oriented, you are mistaken. Nekai, Sinabarumtandazu. Yiswanini, Izwite, Vumelani, Arakana, that's the best. Masibonge, Sada, simultane, simulcose, let us say, Hallelujah, Hallelujah, Sada, Jesus, God bless you.
After their brief background of Babok, the sponsor for his father,
What's my question? Hey! I'm saying this that was beautiful. We love it. We enjoy it. And let's continue having fun. Well done, Babongi Leskonjo, the free spirit. Well done, Babako Kukukogo. Well done, Kukukogo Esizweni. Well done. You defined your life explicitly so well. And this poetic piece will neither be added by sugar, salt, vinegar, or sweet somethings. The story of your life, Babongile, cannot be flavored further by any spices or salt. It can never again be diluted. You were and you have been. Usomahlaya, the smile maker. Is not Baboniwe. Is not Babonjile. He was never a she. Abantu kabakuzwe. Lo ngubabongile sikhonjwa, ubhana, umsele kadaba, ubhakuluza, umnisiti, kisobona kagazi. Uye yedwa umngane kaTown Clerk. Indebele kuyilo lodwa elabekele kuka Mayweather. Indebele Dubai. Indebele Rockstar. Siyabonga sikhonjwa. A creative legend, a voice that built bridges across generations, a broadcaster whose presence filled the airwaves, a radio personality who turned the frequencies into family, a DJ who knew how to lift the spirits of the people, an MC who made everyone feel at home and who made everyone at home to feel the skies. Indeed, a cultural activist who stood tall and proud in Ndebele without apology, in Ndebele Dubai, a people's man, Umkokoda, Weposo, Agaritu Rebantomani, Agaritu Rebantomani, Limituge, Futinasisoni, Wabasingabatu, Futisatachulwa Yinso. Yesintu vele singazona kusile silala ngazo asizizili yizo esivele inhlamba sibuswa ngazo akalituke abantu bami akalituke abantu bami uselela ugodwa yona umalika bayithwale uselantobo Rezi Cafe will never be the same. Richmond is increasing careful will never be the same. Sky's Metro FM will never be the same. Star FM will never be the same. Ichila Moya will never be the same. And I just wonder, did we ever, as this nation called Zimbabwe, deserve such a powerful Ndebele Rockstar welcome to others? Let us keep together. The contract has taught us a lot, and we will miss him a lot. To the creatives, abadlali bomculo, abadlali bestage, imboni, the comedians, thina bafowethu sikhunjulwa sesibhubhile. Masi saphila abasinaki ngabalanda abalathi
very honest statement there from Honorable Desire Moyo there.